Hi everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to have some fun with resin. On my other channel, Evie's Toy House, I recently got a lot of Poopsie Slime stickers. So these were part of stationery sets. If you have not seen those videos, I'll add the link down below. So take a look at these stickers. They are so cute. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. And I have a lot of them. So I thought it would be really fun if we can embed some of these stickers in resin pieces. So for keychains and also some mini dishes. So here are the supplies that you'll need. Of course, we're going to need our 2-part resin and some colorants, and I have my molds. So I have some mini hearts and some squares and circles, and of course I have my other accessories, some glitter, some little mica chips, some beads. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to prep each sticker with a layer of Mod Podge. This will ensure that it's waterproof. Let's start with a heart mold. I have a mold here. It has 6 hearts on it. And here are the 6 poopsies that we're going to put in there. I've already trimmed the edges so that we're ready to go. In each well, we're going to pour in some resin, just enough to submerge the card. We want to make sure the entire bottom is coated. Now we're going to take each piece and we're going to dip it into some resin and then put it face down in the mold. And then we're going to wait. With this round one, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to pour some resin on the very bottom first. Then we're going to add our sticker and decorations. And now we're going to wait. For this next one, we're going to add some yellow stars in the grooves of the dish first. Then we're going to pour our resin along the edges in the grooves. Next, we're going to pour some resin in the middle. Here, we're popping the bubbles with a flame and add the unicorn sticker. Then on the back, we're going to add some glitter. For this last one, we're going to use sprinkles. So we're going to put sprinkles along the edges here, and then we'll add the sticker. We're going to pour the sprinkles. And then move them to the grooves. Okay, now we're going to pour in the resin. Now we're going to take our sticker and put it face down. At this time, we're going to manually drop in some sprinkles. And this is so that it will sink to the bottom and show up on the front of our plate. It's been about 2 hours. Now we can add more to the top of the resin. Here, we're going to add different embellishments to each. Some confetti, some glitter, and some beads. And we're going to pour a little bit more resin on top. Here, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add some purple foil and then pour a bit more clear resin on top. Now we're going to pour the colored backings. Here I've mixed a bit of pink resin and we're going to add some glitter on top. Then we're going to pour it on top of the last layer. For each heart, we're going to pour a different colored backing. For this one, we're going to mix some yellow and orange. And then simultaneously pour the yellow on top and orange on the bottom to create a gradient. And for this final one, we're going to make it purple. Alright everyone, so it's been 24 hours and these are done. Oh my gosh, it feels so smooth. So we can now start to demold. Let's start with these heart-shaped ones. Here's the first one. Here's our next one. Here's a pink one. Oh, this one's the drink one. Here's a green one. And our last one. Ooh. So these are not shiny because the mold is not shiny. All you have to do is glaze it and then it'll be nice and shiny again. Alright, let's go ahead and demold this one. Oh, just take a look at this one. This one is super shiny. Okay, here's our next one. Oh, look at this one. This one turned out so nice. This one's a nice little dish. And here is our final one. Oh wow, you guys, look at this one. This one is so pretty. Look at all the little sprinkles. For the pieces that are not shiny, we're going to add a thin layer of resin. Alright everyone, and we are done. So let's take a look at our pieces. Here we have the large piece. This one is a little trinket dish. It has the 2 unicorns and it says #2 crew. And what's really cool is look at all the little sprinkles. So we have a bunch of sprinkles, and on the very back we have a pink backdrop with some glitter. This one is super cool looking. Here we have another dish. This one is a round one. It's much smaller. It is yellow, and here you can see on the side that on the lips here we have some stars, some yellow stars. There's 1 unicorn, and the backdrop is also yellow and orange. Little gradient going on here, going from light yellow to a darker yellow or orange. And of course we have some sparkly glitter on it. Our third one here is a little paperweight. We have a little purple poopsie here. It says #2. And of course the background, we have this really cool glittery paper. And finally we have the hearts. So the hearts didn't turn out as great as I wanted to. Many of them kind of moved around after I put them down, so they're not completely centered, but they're really pretty. So we have this pink one. It has the little pink beads in it. So this one's really nice. I think I want to do that again for another charm. Here is the black and white cow. It has the black glitter in the background, and the backdrop is actually green. Next we have the orange one. This one has the pink poopsie, and this one's really pretty. I love this orange color. Just look at that. And we have that little confetti paper in the background again. This one is the green one. This one kind of moved off to the edge here instead of being centered, but it is so pretty. I love the little glitter, the green and silver glitter. And the backdrop is green. The third one, this one is super cute. I love this Poopsie. We have some confetti in the background and it's a soft yellow. And the last one is amazing. Oh my gosh. So we have a little Slurpee. It is a little bit off-centered, so that's too bad. But I love the little sprinkles. Oh my goodness. That is super cool. I think I want to use these sprinkles some more in future ones too. So overall, these came out really nice, but the heart charms, the little keychains probably need some work. I think I still need to work on the thickness because these are kind of uneven. So there's room for some improvement. Alright everyone, so let me know down below in the comment section what you think of these. Do you like my little trinket trays? And what do you think of my little charms? Should I make more? Let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. Bye!